A new generation platform that is thoroughly lightweight. A dedicated undercarriage introduced only for Type R firmly grips the road. The new generation platform, which brought outstanding dynamic performance to the Civic due to its low center of gravity and low inertia, has been brushed up in every detail. Ultra-high-strength steel plates and a resin tailgate hatch are used to thoroughly reduce weight. In addition, the Type R expands the application area for structural adhesive by about 3.8 times compared to the previous model. Even in scenes with random input from the road surface, vibrations are suppressed more quickly, realizing excellent handling characteristics and a clean ride. The most powerful model in Type R's 30-year history, the all-new 2023 Civic Type R is the most powerful Honda production vehicle ever offered in the US. On sale this fall, the new Type R delivers the best driving experience in the hot hatch segment, combining class-leading performance with an all-new immersive cockpit experience and a sleek, muscular new design. The front adopts a dual-axis strut suspension that has two axes, a steering shaft, kingpin, and an input shaft, strut, from the road surface. It greatly reduces torque steer and realizes sharp and accurate handling. In addition, by optimizing suspension geometry in millimeters and newly designed parts, camber rigidity is 116% higher than that of the previous model. The rear uses a multi-link system with multiple arms to ensure overwhelming stability. Jointly developed with Michelin, tires suitable for the ultimate FF sports car. With a tire width of 265 mm and a unique manufacturing method that combines different tread compounds, excellent dry grip performance is achieved while maintaining wet performance and wear performance. The shape and structure of the belt inside the tire have been optimized to match the tread pattern, ensuring high block rigidity. Adopted a reverse rim structure aluminum wheel that reverses the shape of the inside and outside of the rim. This reduces the distortion on the inside side and stabilizes the ground contact pressure inside the tire, making it possible to make full use of the wide tire's performance. Applying the lightweight and high-rigidity design cultivated in the previous limited edition, it is integrally molded using a special spinning manufacturing method. The weight of the four cast wheels has been reduced by approximately 3 kilograms compared to the previous base model. Exclusive 19-inch wheels with high performance and high design create exquisite footwork. The front braking system is equipped with Brembo monoblock aluminum opposed 4-pot calipers and a 5350mm large diameter 2-piece disc in order to demonstrate strong stopping power even during sudden deceleration from ultra-high speeds. Aiming for high controllability, we also reviewed the master power characteristics. In addition, cooling air is efficiently taken in from the openings on the front face, and combined with the newly designed baffle plate, the increase in brake temperature during circuit driving is greatly reduced. With outstanding speed, the 2.0L VTEC turbo has evolved into the ultimate power unit. Achieved maximum output of 330 PS and maximum torque of 420 Nm. At the moment of stepping on the accelerator, a strong acceleration G rises so that the back is pressed against the seat, and it powerfully extends to high rotation. Variable valve timing and lift mechanism on the exhaust side and continuously variable valve timing and control mechanism on both the intake and exhaust sides cover the range from low revs to full throttle. In addition, an electric wastegate with a high degree of freedom in turbo control has been introduced to realize the thrill of a high-revving engine. The newly developed monoscroll turbocharger achieves excellent turbo efficiency and low inertia by redesigning the outer diameter, number, and shape of the blades. Combined with detailed evolution such as increased intake and exhaust flow rates and more precise ECU control, it achieves high output and high response. In order to bring out the maximum performance of the engine, we also focused on cooling technology. An airflow layout is adopted in which the air taken in from the large opening grille is sent to the large diameter, high-performance radiator, and exhaust heat is released through the vents on the front hood. In addition, the two-piece water cooling jacket surrounding the exhaust manifold effectively cools various parts of the engine. A powerful exhaust original sound is obtained by a large flow exhaust system with a straight structure. In addition, an active exhaust valve mechanism is installed in the center of the silencer, and the valve opening is controlled according to the number of revolutions. In addition, active sound control boosts the interior sound and realizes a sensual exhaust sound that rises as you step on the accelerator. A new sports car experience. Honda Log R, a data logger dedicated to Type R, automatically analyzes driving data and supports improvement of driving skills. A new experience of interacting with Type R expands the fun of sports cars. Innovative data logger that interacts with Type R. A data logger application for Type R that is standard equipment for in-vehicle navigation. In addition to the performance monitor function that displays vehicle behavior and various information, it is equipped with an innovative function that automatically analyzes driving data and converts it into a score. You can enjoy driving while interacting with Type R and support skill improvement.